Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install A/B testing with Firebase Remote Config step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Firebase console in your web browser. Log in to your Google account if prompted. Select the project you want to use for A/B testing. In the left sidebar, click on Remote Config. If you haven't already enabled Remote Config, click on Get Started. Now, choose Add Parameter to create a new parameter for your A/B test. Enter a name for the parameter in the dialog box that appears. Next, set the default value for the parameter. This value will be used when the experiment is not active. To create a new A/B test, click on A/B Testing in the left sidebar. Select Create Experiment. Name your experiment descriptively to reflect what you are testing. Now, choose a target condition for your experiment. This could be a specific user segment or a random selection of users. You will also need to set the experiment's duration. Specify how long you want the A/B test to run. Next, define the variant parameters. These are the alternative values for the parameter you created earlier. Make sure to establish how the variance will differ from the default. After setting your variance, configure the experiment objectives. Choose metrics that align with your goals for the A/B test. This might include user engagement, revenue, or retention rates. Review your experiment setup to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, click on Start Experiment to launch your A/B test. Monitor your experiment in the Firebase console as it runs. Check the performance of each variant against your established metrics. After the experiment concludes, analyze the data collected. Draw conclusions based on which variant performed best according to your objectives. Finally, implement the winning variant in your app using Remote Config. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.